Good morning, my dear students of class 6B. I welcome you all to this new class of English for this week. So, children, since yesterday, in the previous class, we have just seen a little introduction to the story A Tale of Two Birds, wherein I am expecting my responsible and very careful students of 6B who must have gone through the chapter very well. So let us start with the chapter that what the story has to talk about. Since we discussed the importance of this chapter, where what a person looks alike, what a person is known for, that is how the company he keeps. So a person is always known by the company he keeps. If he is keeping a company of very good, honest and trustworthy friends, the person is definitely going to turn into a trustworthy person, and people in the other parts of the world will trust him as a person who is very loyal and a trustworthy. But a person who is keeping a group of friends of very dishonest and thieves and robbers, definitely people are not going to trust him. So, without further ado, children, let's start the chapter. So, A Tale of Two Birds, where can you see the chapter where 3 points are given? A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated from mother, and they were separated from each other also, children. Each found a different home. So this is the preface, basically the introduction part, which is being given to the students to know what the chapter is going to tell you in the further chapter. So this is the introduction what the chapter we are going to see in. So I'm reading the first paragraph, wherein you will also read it very loudly, clearly, after you have seen this video. So, there once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of the little ones all day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately, the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. So the explanation to this, children, will be that the story is all about a mother bird and her two babies. The mother bird was taking care of the babies all day and night. Then one day, as the paragraph already told us, one day a big, fierce storm came, and the storm had devastated a lot of destruction, children. All the trees came down, and a big branch hit the nest, and the mother bird was killed. So because of that storm, children, the big branch also had hit the nest, and the mother bird was killed in that. But luckily the baby birds were saved, and they were blown away with the wind. The strong wind has blown them away to the other side of the forest. And when the wind has blown the babies to the other side of the forest, children, one baby bird fell in the outside the rishis ashram, and the baby bird fell in a cave where a gang of robbers were living. So, children, in this first paragraph, the important words are robbers. You all have been knowing this word, who are burglars, who are thieves, who do robbery. Then, fortunately, is luckily, and the third is blew down, is to make fall. The strong wind blew down. It means the strong wind has fallen the trees. So, I'm going to read the second paragraph for you, children. Days passed, and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. Children, in earlier times, we all know that the kings used to go for hunting. So they are telling now that one day the king of the country went for hunting. So the king was after a deer, and after chasing the deer, the king lost his way and he was not knowing. So the clear explanation again to this second paragraph is, after a few days the baby birds became big. One day the king of the country headed the deer in the forest. While hunting, he noticed that the deer is running, so he chased the deer. The deer ran very far away, and the king lost his way. So, children, I will stop this class after these two paragraphs, wherein we will begin with the third paragraph in the next class. So, thank you so much, children. But I do ensure that you people are going to read the chapter very loudly and clearly after you finish this class. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.